At Commodore, we manufacture a variety of different water pressure pumps, bilge pumps, electrical switches, live well pumps, macerator pumps, and toilets, and a variety of other products for your marine needs. Our goal is to be a premium marine brand, offering our customers superior quality products at a less expensive price point than the leading brands, as well as covering that all with a 4-year industry-leading warranty. We stand behind everything we make because we know we make it out of superior components. And because the end product is that much better, we do cover it with that 4-year industry-leading warranty. We have a lot of pride in what we do, and we've developed this company from inception to address a lot of the issues that go on in the marketplace. A lot of companies out there have gotten a little comfortable and their product line's a little stale, and we pride ourselves in being innovative. For example, our new bilge pump. It can change out in less than a minute. So that means more time on the water and less headaches for you. So all of our Commodore product line has a 4-year industry-leading warranty. That includes our pumps, float switches, battery switches, everything. For any questions or to find out more about Commodore, visit www.commodoreproducts.com.